Hello, and a very warm welcome to AI Guru J, where we unravel the intricacies of artificial intelligence in the most engaging way possible. I am your host, Ram Naresh Jha, and today, we delve into a fascinating topic: how the ChatGPT from OpenAI can transform the way we write. The art of writing is a complex maze of ideas, emotions, and expressions. It's not just about arranging words in a sequence, but about creating a symphony that resonates with the reader. Today, we aim to understand how ChatGPT can be an effective tool in enhancing our writing skills. Welcome back, scholars of the written word. As we continue our exploration, we'll learn how to work effectively with ChatGPT, a powerful tool powered by OpenAI, and how it can assist you on your writing journey. To interact with ChatGPT effectively, remember the following points. Voiceover. Make your inputs clear and concise. Avoiding ambiguity ensures ChatGPT understands your queries accurately. Voiceover. Ask specific questions. This helps ChatGPT generate more relevant and useful responses. Voiceover. Feedback is crucial. If ChatGPT's response doesn't meet your needs, provide feedback to help it understand and improve. Voiceover. Provide context whenever possible. Relevant details help ChatGPT generate tailored and accurate responses. Voiceover. Patience is key. Especially with complex queries, ChatGPT may need a moment to generate suitable responses. Voiceover. Feel free to experiment with different questions and inputs to discover the full range of ChatGPT's capabilities. Voiceover. Be aware of privacy. Avoid sharing sensitive personal information with ChatGPT, as it's an AI model and can't handle such data securely. Voiceover. Explore ChatGPT's features such as summarization, translation, and creative writing assistance to maximize your interactions. Always remember, while ChatGPT is designed to assist with a wide range of tasks, it's important to use it responsibly and effectively. Our discussion today is divided into three main sections: structure, style, and substance. Each of these elements plays a critical role in shaping your writing, and ChatGPT can significantly influence how you approach these aspects. Firstly, we talk about the structure. A well-structured piece of writing is like a well-planned journey. It's organized, clear, and makes it easy for the reader to navigate through your thoughts. ChatGPT can help you outline your work, defining the introduction, body, and conclusion, making your writing cohesive and coherent. Next, we explore style. Your writing style is your unique voice, your signature. It's how you express your thoughts and ideas. Whether it's persuasive, descriptive, or narrative, ChatGPT can help you experiment and discover your personal style. Finally, we discuss the substance. It's the heart and soul of your writing, the message you want to convey. ChatGPT emphasizes the importance of thorough research and originality. It helps you ensure your content is factual, insightful, and offers a fresh perspective. To summarize, writing is an art that requires practice, patience, and a deep understanding of its various facets. ChatGPT, with its advanced features, can be a valuable aid in enhancing your writing skills. It can help you produce content that is not just informative but also engaging and impactful. Thank you for joining us on AI Guru J. Remember, every word you write is a step towards mastering the art of writing. So keep writing, keep experimenting, and don't be afraid to let your thoughts flow freely. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful sessions. Hit the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, happy writing. Welcome back, intrepid wordsmiths. Today, we're not just learning about writing, we're putting our skills into action. I present to you a challenge, a prompt that will stir your creativity and test your command of the English language. Imagine you are the first human to make contact with an alien civilization. They are peaceful and curious about humanity. Write a letter introducing our world to them. Describe our cultures, our triumphs, and our challenges. Share what makes humanity unique and how we can learn from each other. This exercise will test your ability to explain complex ideas simply and to express the diversity of human experience. Consider the language barrier and the vast differences in context. How would you bridge the gap between worlds? Begin with a greeting. How do you welcome a friend you've never met? Use vivid descriptions. Paint a picture of our world with your words. Be inclusive. Reflect the variety of life and culture on Earth. End with an invitation. Encourage a dialogue, an exchange of ideas. Take your time with this prompt. It's not just about the words you choose, but the empathy and understanding you convey. When you're ready, share your letters with us. Post them in the comments, or better yet, create a video response. Let's see the world through each other's eyes. Writing can be a powerful tool for connection and understanding. Through this prompt, may you find new perspectives and a deeper appreciation for our shared humanity. Join the conversation. Like, share, and subscribe to AI Guru J with Guide Ram Naresh Jha for more challenges and insights. Together, we'll explore the power of language and the art of communication. Until next time, keep writing, keep dreaming, and keep reaching for the stars.